Hi dear students, Neeraj again with my next video of chapter number 15, probability. As we have discussed in my previous video the basics of this chapter, now I am going to solve the question answers of exercise 15.1. The question number 1. The question number 1 are blanks. Probability of an event E plus probability of not E is always equals to 1. The probability of an event that cannot be happen means the probability that is not possible is always equal to 0, and the event is called impossible event. The probability of an event that is certain to happen means that is a sure event, and the probability always equals to 1, and such an event is called sure event. The sum of the probability all of the elementary events of an experiment is equals to, as we have discussed, is 1. The probability of an event is greater than or equal to 0 and less than equals to 1 means the probability of an event always lies between 0 and 1. Now the question number 2, which the following experiment have equally likely outcomes? Explain. Equally likely means 50-50% chances. A driver attempts to start a car. The car starts or does not start. Is this a equally likely or a simple event? Or not equally likely event? This is a not equally likely event because every time the car starts, very less time the car doesn't start. So not an equally likely event. A player attempt to shoot a basketball. She or he miss the shoot. Most of the player when play, they attempt to shoot a basketball. The most of the time they attempt means they try to attempt the basketball. So this is not an equally likely event. In the most of the cases they shoot or miss. That is not confirmed every time, but most of the time the event will happen. So it is not an equally likely event. A trial is made to answer. Equally likely event are those events when you throw a coin and you don't know the outcome. It can be head or it can be tail. That is called an equally likely event. Similarly, a trial is made to answer a true false question. I am asking you a question. The answer, simply you have to give the answer, and you don't know about the answers. You have to give the answer in yes or no. By this is a trial only. You have to guess the answer. So it is equally likely. It can be yes or can be no. Similarly, a baby is born. It is a boy or a girl. You can't predict it before that the baby born is a boy or girl. So this is also equally likely. Now next question, why is tossing a coin considered to be fair way of deciding which team should get the ball at the beginning of a football game? So what will be the solution or the answer to this question? When we toss a coin, the outcomes head or tail are equally likely, as that equally likely outcomes are those outcomes in which we are quietly unpredictable about the result. So when you toss a coin, we don't know the result before the tossing of the coin, so nobody knows. So it depends upon the you can't predict it. So that is quietly unpredictable. So this is an equally likely event. Which of the following, fourth question, which of the following cannot be a probability of the event? 2 by 3, as we have discussed, probability lies between 0 and 1. 2 by 3 is possible. Negative probability not possible. 15% possible, but because 15 by 100. 7 by 10 possible. So this will be the answer. Next question, the question number 5. If probability of E is 0.05, what is the probability of it is of not E? As we have discussed the formula, probability of E and probability of not E equals to 1. So I will substitute the value here, 0.05 plus probability of not E equals to 1, and when we calculate it, I am getting the answer, probability of not E equals to 1 minus 0.05, that is 0.95. That will be the answer. Now next question, a bag contains lemon flavored candies only. In a bag there are only lemon candies, no any other candy. You are not going to look into the bag and you have to calculate the probability of an orange flavored candies. in the bag there is only lemon flavored candy, no orange flavored candy. So if you want to take out orange candy, it will not be possible. So impossible event, and the probability of impossible event is 0. And when you put your hand in the bag and you are taking one candy out from that, it will be a lemon flavored candy. It means this is a sure event. So the answer will be 1. So these are the 6 question, 1 to 6 question of exercise 5.1, exercise 15.1. So kindly please maintain your notes, and in the next video we will discuss the further questions. Thank you very much.